Hey guys, welcome to question FM139 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, Christian borrowed $64,000 from a bank to build a car. Interest is charged at a rate of 4.45% on the reducing quarterly balance. The loan is to be repaid with 19 quarterly payments of $3,586 and a final payment that is to be adjusted so that the loan will be fully repaid after exactly 20 quarterly payments. Correct to the nearest cent, the amount of the final payment will be what? Now, there's a couple of ways that you can solve a question like this, so if you guys want to run other questions by us, please do so in the comments below. But I'm going to show you sort of my favorite way of figuring out a question like this. I'm a big fan of Finance Solver. I think it makes everything very easy once you get to know how to use it. So I'm going to show you the way that I would solve this type of question using Finance Solver. Now, first of all, we know that the first 19 quarterly payments, we know what those are going to be. So what we're going to try and figure out is how much Christian's going to owe after the first 19 payments have been made. And then we're going to try and calculate the amount of the final payment, how much that's going to be. And I'll have a quick chat about why that amount is what it is. So the first one, we know we're going to be making 19 payments. Interest is going to be 4.45%. And the present value, now Christian's borrowed $64,000. It means he has that $64,000 to do with as he pleases. So that's going to be a positive $64,000. The payments, we know that he's making payments of $3,568 back on that loan. So that's a negative $3,568 because he's giving someone else that money to facilitate this loan. The future value here is what we're going to be calculating. We want to figure out how much money he owes after 19 payments so we can figure out what that final payment's going to be. We've been told that he's making quarterly payments, and there we have it. So plugging this into Finance Solver, we should get an answer here where the future value of his loan is minus 3,566. Now I've rounded to 0.4. You'll get the correct answer whether you use this rounded figure or the longer, more accurate figure. I'd recommend using the longer, more accurate figure, using Control-C and Control-V just like you would on a computer. You can do the same thing on your calculator. Just copy this figure and then use it for what we're about to use next. So this number here, let's talk about this future value for a second. It's negative $3,566.04, which means Christian still owes this amount to the bank or to the loan service, whoever's given him this loan. This is how much he still owes them after 19 payments. Now, don't get this confused with this is what the final payment will be, because this is how much he owes, not including the interest that will be calculated and put on top of this amount. An easy mistake to make there. So we're going to use the same Finance Solver. We're going to use slightly different numbers. First of all, we're going to be looking at that last final one payment. Our interest stays the same, 4.45, and the number of payments per year and the number of compounds per year stay the same. Our present value of our loan is now going to be what our future value was before. So we're going to take this 3,566. Now it also becomes positive up here because this is how much he owes. This is how much money he's been given at the moment that he still has to pay off. So he has this $3,566.04 and he's still got to pay that off. Our payment is what we're going to be calculating here, and our future value is going to be 0. Now the reason we need to do this is because we need to calculate this is how much he owes, how much Christian owes, this $3,566.04, but it hasn't factored in the interest yet. So it's going to take this 4.45%, break it into a quarter of that, and then add that interest onto the amount owing here. So plugging this into Finance Solver to calculate the final payment, you should get an answer of 3,605, or I should say negative 3,605.71. So his final payment is going to be $3,605.71, which of course is going to be option A. If you guys have any questions about how we got this answer, how all of this is working, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.